Hi, I'm Dave Corsi of the Metro Real Estate and Investors Association, or MREA for short. In all real estate negotiations, there are 3 stages. Stage 1, you establish the criteria. What is the objective? Stage 2, research. You gather information about the other side. Stage 3, you come to an agreement. You compromise to achieve success. On July 27th, MREA will be presenting successful negotiating techniques for real estate investors. The hands-on workshop will be between 9 and 4 p.m. at the APA Hotel in Iselin, New Jersey, just off the Garden State Parkway. Topics that will be covered include the following: controlling the negotiation, separating the other party's needs from wants, understanding the different negotiating styles and modeling to fit, learn to lose the battle but win the war, how to design your offers and contracts, the use of higher authority, and winning negotiations with tenants. To sign up or to learn more, please go to www.mreia.com. Thanks, and we hope to see you there.